Hi, in this episode of Youva Originals, we are painting a bookmark. To complete this bookmark, you can paint it with any colors you like. For this project, I am using Youva poster colors. They are really rich and vibrant and will bring your painting to life. The reason I am using a round brush is because the shapes are pretty curvy right now. So our dino is ready. All we have to do is cut it out. So I have cut down the leg here and a curve for the hand over here. Now to place this bookmark, all you have to do is snuggle it right in with the hand and the feet on top like this. And there you go. You have a really cute looking bookmark, different from anything else out there.